Dear children of salvation, all who cleave to Christ the head, wake, arise, almighty nation, ere the fall on Zion tread. Pour it forth a mighty anthem, pour it forth a mighty anthem, like the thunders of the sea. Through the blood of Christ, our ransom, more than conquerors are we. More than conquerors are we. More than conquerors are we. Through the blood of Christ, our ransom, more than conquerors are we. Saints and heroes long before us, firmly on this ground have stood. See their banners waving o'er us, conquerors through Jesus' blood. Pour forth a mighty anthem, pour it forth a mighty anthem, like the thunders of the sea. Through the blood of Christ, our ransom, more than conquerors are we. More than conquerors are we. More than conquerors are we. Through the blood of Christ, our ransom, more than conquerors are we. Deathless we are all unfair.